Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a spread in my journal. So my journal is a classic size happy planner called Fleur. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the pages. We are going to be decorating the week of the 20th through the 26th of March. Like I said, this is my journal. I pulled out a couple books that I wanted to use. So I want to use the seasonal mega sticker book and as well as colors of the season. So I'm going to be compiling both of those books and creating something. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, so just bear with me. So here we go. I'm going to start with this big sticker as it is spring. But I think I need to remove some lines. So I'm gonna put this on this side usually during the week when I'm working. Unless something major happens, I don't have that much to journal about. Like I will journal about my day or about my feelings, but typically it's not like I have crucial journaling during the week. However, weekend I usually do. So also, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Okay, so we have hooray for spring. So that's in. I'm gonna go ahead and take another big sticker maybe from this one and place it up here to balance it out. And then we'll do like little things throughout. That's my plan at least. I don't know what color will balance with this. So I'm just gonna flip through pages until I find something that hits. Spring is in the air. That's pretty, but doesn't balance. Let's go ahead. Summer state of mind is not. Live fully in a season you're in. Not sure. Yeah, seasons change, so do we. No. You guys, I've been using this book so much, as you can tell. But cherish every moment. I think that's too dark. These are individual ones, and I love the line art, but I think I'm gonna go with that blue one and see if I can kind of like believe there's good in the world. Or maybe, actually, I didn't even see this one. This one will be perfect. It's this big wreath. And then we'll do this. And it's paper, so I don't need to remove the lines. So that's a plus. Okay. That is good. That is actually really, really good. And both of them are foiled, so hopefully you guys can see. As I was saying in my last plan with me, I have been going back to the Happy Planner stickers and trying to use them more, as it is, like I have so many of them and I haven't been using them. So I felt bad and now I'm trying to rectify that. So bear with me. I'm trying to find like super cute stickers where I can actually journal in. Maybe that's not gonna work. Let me see if I can pull maybe like a green washi and a pink washi and add that. I'll be right back. So green washi, pink washi, that's what I'm looking for. This is like a weird. It's a weird pink, so I don't know if I'm gonna have an equivalent of this. I think the closest that I'm gonna have is this. And then for this one, I'm gonna keep looking until I find it. That's not it. Let's see this. No. Maybe this olive. Yeah, okay. So those are the washes that I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna add a whole bunch of stickers from here, I think. And that's gonna be my journal spread. It's gonna be super simple this time around. So hopefully you guys bear with me, because like I said, I'm also going to be placing these vertically instead of horizontally like I normally do. Just gonna find my white pen really quick and remove this line. Okay. Okay, like so. I'm gonna put another one on here and then some on the other side as well. It'll be kind of fun to look at this. It's slightly different. It's gonna be kind of simplistic. This one is going to be a little bit more challenging because of how big the sticker is and where I placed it, but it's all good because I can do this. Look how adorable this is. Okay. And then I'm gonna do, maybe I'll just do like from here to here and see how that looks. I do like this green a lot. I think it brings in so much color to my spread. Now I'm gonna add the pink as well, and we'll see how that looks. Sometimes I like to play with my planner and create something completely different. So yeah, let's see. I'm like ruining this washi. Okay, I think I got it. Do you guys have trouble opening up washi or no? If you don't, let me know your trick, because I'm always struggling. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off really quickly, just like a tiny little piece, like so. Yeah, even though this area is clean, like around me is a mess, you guys, so don't be fooled. If you hear clicking and clacking, that's what it is. It's the unequivocal mess around me. Okay, yeah, that's pretty actually good. I'm gonna add it like that, and I think that's pretty. I don't know what it is about pink and green, but I think they go well together. And they're like a very beautiful contrast. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add these two, and I'm gonna add some other stickers, and I think we'll be done, or maybe not even. We'll see. Maybe I can pull something from the Sage book. That's been a book I go to all the time. If you have that book, let me know if your obsession is as big as mine. Oh, I think that looks kind of cool. Maybe if I add one more green, it'll be even cooler. It'll be like a decoration. Let's see. Oh, I do like that. I don't know. And if not, I could always pull it off, but I do like it. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is a little crazy. It's like a washi. washi craziness. This is like the second time I'm about to finish a washi roll. You guys, this is so thin. It has maybe like 3 more wraps around it, and then that's it. So, yep, one left. It's like not even visible. Okay, but I need to make this straight if I want it to work. Okay, these are coming off. Let's see. Is that good? Maybe. Okay, that is good, right? Yeah, I think that looks good. And then let me pull my Sage book and see if I can add anything from here. Because like I said, that book usually has some beautiful shades in here that I can pull. Create the life of your dreams. Let's see. Yeah, that can work. And I'm gonna place it like right in here. Yeah, okay. Like that. I think that works. Let's see if I can add any more of these fun little tidbits. Let yourself grow. That's a beautiful one. Yeah, I really love my Sage book a lot. So like I said, I'm not sure if other people are as obsessed as I am, but it is kind of a beautiful book that I keep going back to. Let's see. What else? I want to add something. I don't know. Like, I am a little lost right now because I normally don't do anything this size. So yeah, welcome to my life called confusion. Maybe if I add like little sprinkles of stuff around this one, it will make more sense. Let me see. So this mega sticker book has these little like flowers in between like this, and I can take some of these and like add them to the wreath. There's a yellow, pink, blue. I'll stick to the same colors. I'm missing green, but whatever. I'm gonna pull quite a few of these and then just play with them until I feel like I have accomplished what I wanted. So I'm just gonna do kind of like a happy little thing and add them throughout to add some color. Just add some blue here. I'm gonna add some blue here, do like almost like a little wheel. I can add a flower right there, maybe one right there, up here. I think I made it a little bit more happy. Let's see, can I add, no, these butterflies are kind of big. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm a little lost up here. Let's see this one more time. So you can hear my things are falling. That's fine. Breathe in gratitude, exhale praise. Kind of weird quote, but I kind of like it at the same time. I don't know. Okay. I think it's gonna look cool once I do write in it. I mean, I don't know if you guys watched this week's journal that I did. It's super corny, but when I wrote in it, it like completely changed. So I'm thinking if I write in this, it's gonna completely change. It is a little bit different for me again, but I thought it's kind of cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!